In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless transitions using CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or experienced with video editing, these steps will help elevate your editing skills by adding smooth transitions that really make your content pop. First, we will start by launching CapCut and setting up a new project. If you haven't used CapCut before, it's a versatile and user-friendly app that provides a lot of professional editing features right at your fingertips without needing any previous experience in video editing. Once you open the app and start your new project, you'll be greeted with the timeline. This is where all the magic happens. Next, we're going to add 2 video clips next to each other on the timeline. Choose the 2 clips you want to work with from your media library and simply drag them onto the timeline. Align them so they sit perfectly back to back. At this point, the transition between these clips is raw and abrupt. This is where CapCut comes in with its seamless transition options to help you make these cuts smooth and visually pleasing. Let's head over to the transition menu located on the upper left side of the screen. Look for the transition button. It's easy to spot once you know where to look. When you click on it, various transition styles will appear at your disposal. What you're going to do is apply a transition precisely between the 2 clips in your timeline. This step is important as it ensures that the effect is implemented right where the 2 clips meet, creating that smooth flow we're looking for. Now, you have a choice of different transition styles, and CapCut offers some fantastic options that can add dynamic movement to your videos. You can choose from slide left, slide right, push up, or push down. Each one offers a unique style, so feel free to preview them and pick the one that best matches your video's mood and style. My personal tip is to consider the motion in your clips. Perhaps the subject is moving left, so you might complement that with a slide left transition. Once you've selected your transition style, it's time to apply it and adjust its duration. This is a critical but straightforward step. You can do this easily by dragging the duration slider. Longer durations create a slower, more dramatic transition, while shorter ones result in a quick shift between scenes. Strike a balance that helps maintain the natural flow without being too jarring. And there you have it, a smooth, professional transition between your video clips using CapCut. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to enhance your videos and keep your audience engaged. Keep experimenting with different transitions and have fun editing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.